Today we're going to be cleaning out this. We've got these cool flexible brushes we're going to run up there and out the roof, and then disconnect that, vacuum it out. Everything's going to be spick and span.
Montage of me cleaning a dryer top to toe. That's right. What sound does this make? Now here's a cool trick. You take a plastic bag, some tape around the end of your blower. Now what this is going to do is it's going to expand within the pipe so that it seals it off really nice. You don't have to worry about any blowback. It's a great trick. It's a great trick. It's great. Now here you go. Cut that. And then you fire it up. This is way too long. Way too long.
Nice and clean jelly bean.
If you made it this far, congratulations. Check out my website, championhandyman.com.